Hello adventurers, welcome to a journey like no other. Today we journey to Tanzania, a land of untamed beauty. Nestled in East Africa, Tanzania is a country that boasts some of the most breathtaking landscapes and diverse ecosystems on the planet. Imagine vast plains teeming with wildlife, towering mountains piercing the clouds, and idyllic beaches lapped by turquoise waters. The Serengeti Plain, for instance, is home to the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebras traverse the land in search of greener pastures. Tanzania is a feast for the senses. The vibrant landscapes are painted with a palette of colors that change with the seasons, from the golden hues of the savanna to the lush greens of the rainforests. It's a place where you can witness the raw power of nature and connect with cultures as old as time. The Maasai people, with their rich traditions and vibrant attire, offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. From the iconic plains of the Serengeti to the snow-capped peak of Kilimanjaro, Tanzania offers a kaleidoscope of landscapes. Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak in Africa, stands as a sentinel over the land, its glaciers gleaming in the sunlight. The air vibrates with the sounds of the wild, the trumpeting of elephants, the roar of lions, and the chattering of colorful birds. Each sound tells a story of survival, of life and death in the wild. Join me as we embark on an unforgettable claymation safari through Tanzania's wonders. We'll explore the hidden gems of this magnificent land, from the depths of its lush forests to the heights of its majestic mountains. So, pack your sense of adventure and let's dive into the heart of Tanzania, where every moment is a new discovery. Our first stop is the Serengeti National Park, a vast expanse of grasslands, woodlands and rivers. This iconic landscape stretches over 30,000 square kilometers, offering a sanctuary for a diverse array of wildlife. The Serengeti is not just a park, it's a living, breathing ecosystem that has remained largely untouched by human development. Here nature reigns supreme, and the cycle of life continues as it has for millennia. The Serengeti is a wildlife enthusiast's dream come true. From the moment you set foot in this natural wonder, you're greeted by the sights and sounds of the wild. Birdsong fills the air, and the rustle of leaves hints at the presence of hidden creatures. For those passionate about wildlife photography, the Serengeti offers endless opportunities to capture the raw beauty of nature. Huge herds of wildebeest and zebra roam the plains in an annual migration. This migration is a journey of survival, driven by the search for fresh grazing grounds and water. Over 1.5 million wildebeest and hundreds of thousands of zebras and gazelles participate in this epic trek, facing numerous challenges along the way. This spectacle, known as the Great Migration, is one of the most awe-inspiring sights on Earth. The sheer scale of the migration is staggering, with animals moving in unison across the plains, creating a living tapestry of motion and life. It's a testament to the resilience and determination of these creatures. Imagine millions of hooves pounding the earth, kicking up dust clouds that stretch for miles. The sound is a thunderous symphony, a reminder of the sheer power and energy of the natural world. These dust clouds can be seen from great distances, signaling the arrival of the migrating herds. Lions, leopards and cheetahs stalk their prey, blending seamlessly into the landscape. These apex predators are masters of stealth and strategy, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Their presence adds an element of danger and excitement to the Serengeti, reminding us of the delicate balance between predator and prey. While crocodiles lie in wait in the rivers, these ancient reptiles are patient hunters, lurking just beneath the surface, ready to snap at any unsuspecting animal that ventures too close. Their powerful jaws and swift movements make them formidable predators in the water. The Serengeti is a constant battle for survival, where every day is a test of endurance and adaptability. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a role in this intricate web of life. The struggle for food, water and safety is a never-ending challenge, a reminder of the raw power and delicate balance of nature. The Serengeti teaches us about the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving these natural wonders for future generations. It's a place where the primal forces of life and death are on full display, offering a glimpse into the untamed beauty of our planet. Next we ascend to the majestic Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak in Africa. Kilimanjaro is a dormant volcano, its snow-capped peak rising dramatically from the surrounding plains. Climbing to the summit is a challenging but rewarding experience, offering breathtaking views and a sense of accomplishment like no other. As you ascend, you'll pass through diverse climatic zones from lush rainforests to alpine deserts. At the summit, you'll be greeted by a view that will take your breath away. A panorama of clouds stretching to the horizon, the African plains spread out below like a giant map. From the heights of Kilimanjaro, where the air is thin and the views are breathtaking, we embark on a journey that takes us from the towering peaks to the serene shores of the Indian Ocean. We descend to the tropical paradise of Zanzibar, a place where the rhythm of the waves and the rustle of the palm leaves create a symphony of tranquility. Zanzibar, an archipelago off the coast of Tanzania, is a mosaic of islands, each with its own charm and allure. The main island, Unguja, often referred to simply as Zanzibar, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness. Zanzibar is known for its pristine beaches, turquoise waters and swaying palm trees. The beaches here are some of the most beautiful in the world, with powdery white sand that feels like silk beneath your feet. It's the perfect place to relax and soak up the sun after your adventures on the mainland. Whether you're lounging under a palm tree or taking a dip in the crystal-clear waters, the island offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. But Zanzibar is more than just a pretty face. Beyond its stunning beaches lies a rich tapestry of history and culture waiting to be explored. It has a rich history as a trading center for spices, dating back to the days when traders from Arabia, Persia and India would come to these shores to trade their goods. The air is fragrant with the scents of cloves, cinnamon and nutmeg, which are still cultivated here today. Walking through the spice markets, you can almost taste the history in the air. These spices are not just commodities. They are a part of the island's identity and heritage. The vibrant colors and intoxicating aromas of the spices are a feast for the senses. Explore the narrow streets of Stone Town, where every corner tells a story. The architecture here is a blend of African, Arab, Indian and European influences, reflecting the island's diverse history. Stone Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its cultural significance and historical importance. Walking through its labyrinthine alleys, you can feel the pulse of history beneath your feet. Immerse yourself in the island's unique culture, from its traditional music and dance to its delicious cuisine. Zanzibar is a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony, offering a truly unforgettable experience. Section 5, Ngorongoro Cradle of Life. Our final destination is the Ngorongoro Crater, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and one of the most remarkable natural wonders on Earth. This enormous volcanic caldera is home to a staggering array of wildlife, all contained within its steep walls. It's often described as a natural zoo. Within the crater, you'll find lions, elephants, rhinos, buffalo and leopards, all living in a delicate balance. The crater floor is a patchwork of grasslands, forests and a soda lake, providing a variety of habitats for its inhabitants. Ngorongoro is a testament to the incredible biodiversity of our planet. Section 6. Tanzanian culture, a tapestry of traditions. Tanzania's natural wonders are only part of its allure. The country is home to over 120 ethnic groups, each with its own unique customs and traditions. The warmth and hospitality of the Tanzanian people will stay with you long after you've left. Experience the rhythm of traditional music and dance. Sample delicious local cuisine and learn about ancient crafts. Visit a Maasai village and witness their traditional way of life, or explore the bustling markets of Arusha and Dar es Salaam. Section 7, Practical Tips for your Tanzanian adventure. The best time to visit Tanzania is during the dry season, from June to October, when the weather is pleasant and wildlife viewing is at its peak. For those wanting to witness the Great Migration, the best time to visit the Serengeti is from July to September. When packing for your trip, be sure to bring comfortable walking shoes, light clothing for warm days, and layers for cooler evenings. Don't forget your binoculars for wildlife spotting and a camera to capture the unforgettable moments. Section 8. Responsible travel, protecting Tanzania's treasures. As we explore this magnificent country, it's crucial to remember our responsibility to protect its natural and cultural heritage. Choose tour operators who prioritize sustainable practices and support local communities. Respect wildlife by observing from a safe distance and never feeding the animals. Be mindful of your impact on the environment by minimizing waste and conserving water. By traveling responsibly, we can ensure that Tanzania's wonders are preserved for generations to come. Section 9. Tanzania, an unforgettable safari tale. As our claymation journey comes to an end, we're left with memories that will last a lifetime. Tanzania is a land of contrasts and surprises, where adventure awaits around every corner. From the thundering herds of the Serengeti to the tranquil beaches of Zanzibar, Tanzania offers a safari experience unlike any other. So, pack your bags, grab your binoculars, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime in the heart of East Africa. Tanzania awaits, ready to captivate your senses and steal your heart.